For over 2 years, millions of people have been tapping, moving and engaging on Atok without any single dollar. But today, Atok has given us an update concerning their global TGE and listing date. So if you are part of Atok family, this video is for you. I'm going to share an update concerning their listing date. This is not a rumor, this is not a speculation. This is from the official Atok channel whereby they talked about their TGE. So here is the official Atok channel S account. Now let's talk about the real update. Atok has officially announced its token generation known as TGE scheduled for January 2026. And here is the powerful part. Atok will not be listed on just one exchange. The token will be listed on at least 5 major exchanges, including Title 1 and Title 2 platform. So this is what Atok is cooking for us. This update was made 5 hours ago concerning their TGE, and they said the moment has arrived. Atok Tge and global listing announcement. So if you are part of this airdrop, we have a good news. The launch month is January 2026. According to them, they say they are going to list in 5 major exchanges, not just one, but 5 major exchanges, although they did not disclose the exchange. And they say by launching on several exchanges simultaneously, we are patronizing price stability and global liquidity. This is the official start of monetization, where your daily engagement and focus finally transform into global tradable assets. And they continue to thank us a heartful thank you. Web3 mass adoption require patience and grit. Thank you for standing by us as we secure these prestige partnerships. We chose to build a foundation that lasts rather than a hype that fell. In January, we moved from the app to the world's biggest trading floor. Are you ready for the new year? So this is looking at their update. You can see listing TGE schedule. Make your guess, date, exchange, January 2020. If you have been mining this project, you have known that we have come a long way. 2 years of being on a particular project is not easy. I have already forgotten this project at times because most of the time, if I log in to do my daily tasks, they would ask me to update. I was tired of updating because I don't have enough space on my phone, so I abandoned it. But immediately I saw listing of that, I said, no, I have to create charts for this. I said, no, I have to update my community as well. So I have to create that space by fire, by force. So here I have 2,642 Atok, and more. You have to click on the avatar. Once you click on the avatar, you answer the quiz. This project doesn't stress. It doesn't say, just that at times when you are in a particular thing, you became tired if care is not taken. This project is not stressful, if I may say. Your question is based on your experience, and they repeat their question. So if you answer correctly and genuinely, you always get the total percent allocated for each task. Now the question here is, do you sort your waste for recycling? No, I don't. Now 3 to 4 times a week. Okay, let me say less than once a month. Do you check in for multiple location at home? Do you check in from multiple locations at home? Yes, confirm. How often do you check your notification on your wearable? Immediately. Now you receive 0 plus 0.15 points. Okay, and this is what I have received. Collect. You can as well watch ads to earn more, but I hardly watch ads. So currently I'm in level 78. I have tried. If I'm being active on this project, you will have enough bro, if you have been active on this project, to have enough Atok balance. Going to the manage, once you click on manage, I've also made a video on how to transfer our Atok to MetaMask or Trust Wallet. I have some. I think I have 300 in MetaMask and 200 in Trust Wallet. But along the right, tell not to transfer again. Let me just hold it till the listing there, and I'm glad I had mine. So if you look at here, this 2,644 is giving me $44.96. Although you are not going to, you're not going to take this value I see here zero, but we believe Atok is going to reward us this January. This is going to be a New Year gift, although we don't have the exact date and we have not known the exchanges, but we believe that this project is going to give us some dollars. So what do you think about Atok listing update? So that is it for this video. Please do well to subscribe, like and share, turn on the bell notification, join our WhatsApp group, our Telegram channel for high value update. Thank you guys and happy new year in advance.